Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Vikram. In this class, we'll try to understand some examples on recursion. The concept of recursion and the basic understanding of recursion has already been discussed in our previous videos. If you haven't watched those videos, please watch those videos and come back here. And every video in our channel is going to be a part of entire course or a playlist. Our suggestion is to follow the entire course so that you can have better understanding of the concepts. The link for the playlist is provided in the description below. In this class, we'll try to understand some examples on recursion. So let's try to understand these two examples. So both of them look very much same, but the only difference is so the point that you are going to understand is by using a recursive functions. By using a recursive function means a function calling itself. So whenever we use recursive functions, how the outputs will get generated based upon the process, the concept of process, which we have already discussed. So based upon the concept of process which we have discussed in our previous videos, based upon that the output of the recursion will depend. So let's try to understand that concept by using these two examples. Both of them are very much same, but the only difference is here recursive. So here the printf function is used first and after that the recursive call is made, but here the recursive call is made and after that the printf statement is getting executed. So that is the only difference. With that, how the outputs will differ, that we will try to understand. So now let's try to execute this. Take the value of x as 5. So now here, if x greater than or equal to 1, is it true? Yes, it is true. If it is true, print the value of x. So what will get printed? 5 will get printed. As we have discussed, whenever a function call is made, a new activation record will get generated. So that is the point that you have to understand. So that point you need to understand very much. So whenever a new function call, here a function call is made, with this an activation record will get created with the value of x is equal to 5. So the variables of that function, the local variables of that function call will be created within that activation record. And apart from that, we are going to have an instruction pointer. So what this instruction pointer is, line number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these are the line numbers. So a function call is made, x is equal to 5, rec1 of 5. So with this function call, what's happening is printf x is equal to 5 has been printed, and after that another function call is made with the value of 4, rec1, recursion 1 of 4. So again a function call is made. So the concept is whenever a function call is made, a new activation record will get created. Okay. So now with r is equal to 4, take it as r for simplicity. So now x is equal to 4, and here the instruction pointer is, so this has been executed, and here the function call has been made, it is 4, means whenever we come back from the fifth line we have to execute. That is very important. This represents instruction pointer. Same for this, it is 4, and here the 4 will get printed, and after that with 3, recursion 3, the function call will be made r3, x is equal to 3, again the instruction pointer is 4, and the printf is going to print 3 will get printed. 3 will get printed. Again the function call is made with r2, x is equal to 2. The same process it also do for r is equal to 1, x is equal to 1, x greater than or equal to 1, even it is the value of x is 1. Here the value will get printed, 2 and 1 will get printed, and after that again function call is made with 0, rec1 of 0. With 0 this is going to fail, so this one will get executed and this one will get executed. With that, this function has been done with r is equal to 1, x is equal to 1. this has been created, and r of 0 a function call is made, and it has been done without any without printing anything, because this if statement is going to fail and this return statement and this one will get executed. With this we are going to close this, we are going to delete this, and again we are going to come back to this, because r0 is called within this function. Within this function call, r0 has been called. So we have left at the line number 4. The execution of r1 has been left at line number 4. We have to go back and execute the remaining part of the program. Okay, so now line number 4 has been executed, and after that these two statements will get executed. This will get closed. Again going back, this will get closed, because here nothing is going to be done. So just return will be done, and no printf statements or any kind of work is there. So we are going to complete this function call, and as and when the function call is done, we are going to delete that activation record from the memory. Similarly, this will get deleted, and we will go back to main. So the main concept has not been taken in the program. For simplicity, we have just taken the recursive function. So we'll go back to main, and that main will get executed. So with that, the entire program will get executed. So now what the output is, it is 54321 has been printed. Similarly, check for this recursive function. So the same activation diagram, whenever a function call is made. Okay, so again here the value of x is equal to 5, x is equal to 5, r2 of 5, this function call is for 5. Again, is it true? Yes, it is true. So again the function call is made. We are not going to print anything. See here, again the function call is made. So here the line number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so these are the line numbers. At what point we have called a function? This is line number 3. Okay, so this line number 3 where the instruction pointer. So from after that line number we have to execute our program. So whenever we come back to this recursive function call, we have to execute from line number 4. Okay, so now next one is r of 4. X is equal to 4, x is equal to 4. Again the recursive call is made at line number 3 with the r of 3. X is equal to 3, line number 3, r of 2, x is equal to 2, again instruction pointer is r of 1, x is equal to 1. So hope you are getting that point. So we are going a little bit faster, because we have already discussed a lot about recursion, basics of recursion. Okay, again, so here again 3, again r of 0 is made. R of 0 is made, so here it is going to fail, and we are going to come out of this if statement. These statements will not get executed, return 0 will get executed, and this one will get executed. With this function call has been deleted. So after completing its execution, that function calls execution, that will get deleted. So here we are going to come to the third line. So the next line to be executed is, this is the line. So in that line we are going to print. So what it is asking, it is asking to print the value of x. What is the value of x? In that function call, the value of x is 1. So 1 will get printed. Again going back, so after that these return statements will get executed, and it will get deleted from the stack. And next this one, here what is the value of x? 2. After that deleted. Next, going back here, again printf in this function call, it is 3. Again going back, it is 4. Again going back, it is 5. See here, what is the difference? With just flipping the statements up and down, so the difference is the complete output will be in the reverse order. Here 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 has been printed, and here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 has been printed. So what you have to understand is, the main concept that you have to understand is the memory stack that is created whenever how that memory stack will work whenever a recursive call is made. So that is very important to understand. So based upon that, the execution of the recursive function will work. Okay, so this is about these are some of the examples on recursion. Hope you got the clarity on this concept. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. And if you have any doubts regarding this concept, please post your doubt in the comment section below. And if you feel that this video is helpful to you, please give us a like symbol, and please share this video with your friends so that they will also get benefited. Thanks for watching.